A lot of people think AI is a threat, but I actually don't think so at all. I think it could be your biggest competitive advantage if you use it right. It can be a force multiplier for your content game. It can be a tool for scaling your business instead of letting it stagnate. And it can be the cheapest, most productive junior level hire you will ever make. Now, how can this be true? Well, first, you have to stop thinking of AI as a threat. You have to change your mindset, and you have to start treating it like an asset that will help grow your business. From a product and content marketing strategy, you can use AI in 3 ways to make this happen. So, first of all, you have to own your strategy, okay? AI can do a lot of semi intelligent stuff at really high speed, like whip up a quarterly content plan, but it cannot define your vision. You have to use your human brain to tell the AI what you want, and then you have to evaluate what it gives you and, massage it into something that you want or change your prompt and get something different. But really, it's incredible at what it can do. You just have to really tell it and be specific. You can't be vague or ambiguous in any way. The second thing you can do with AI is build defensible value, which means figuring out how to get AI to do your low level work, like outlining and brainstorming, so you can focus intensely on what it cannot yet replace, like producing engaging revenue generating content or having meaningful conversations with customers or, putting up videos that can speak to prospects. AI can't really do that. And the stuff that it does generate is just not the same as human to human interaction. The third thing you can do for AI to use it as an asset is use it to scale your business instead of letting you or your business stagnate, which means you've got to use AI to move faster, not cut corners. It's a big difference. You have to remember, AI sucks at so many things. So you have to really be creative to take its junior level work and turn it into something good. Now, of course, I'm not here to rip on interns or junior level people at all. It's just that as a business owner and as a former, executive, I've had to manage interns and juniors, and they're great. They're enthusiastic. They're high potential, but they lack a lot of just experience, expertise, and industry knowledge. And so you often get a very enthusiastic person who puts things together that are not quite right. And that's okay. But that's how you got to think of AI. That's the trick. It does a lot of great stuff that you have to turn into something that's actually impressive and moves the needle for your business. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using AI and if you think it really is a threat to your business.